Oliver Sloup joins us now from the trading floor in Chicago, and he is with Blue Line Futures. Oliver, happy Monday to you. How are you?
Well, it's nice to kind of settle back into a normal routine now that we're through the holidays. We're getting a little bit more participation coming in, and I think that's kind of having people a little bit sitting on their hands. We're kind of choppy. A mixed bag to start the week, I guess you could say. Corn near unchanged, soybeans up, and wheat down. But really, that corn contract really sitting right in the middle of technical resistance. We still like being long corn over the intermediate term, and I think the chart has been relatively constructive over the last couple weeks, but we really need to get out above key technical resistance, which we've outlined as 386 to 387 3/4. If we could do this, I think we see the funds step in and extend their length a little bit more and get this contract a little closer towards $4 and get that new crop December closer to about 415.
So what resistance target point are you looking at that needs to be taken out so it can go?
386 to 387 3/4 is going to be a big one. There's a couple key retracements up there as well as previously important price points. We've been making a trend of higher highs and higher lows over the past couple of weeks, and that's very encouraging to see, especially since we're getting that more participation coming into the market following the holidays over the past couple of weeks.
What about on soybeans? Are you looking at technical points there, either above or below the market right now?
Well, the market did really well holding trendline support from the contract lows. 880 was where that trend line came in a couple weeks ago. We held that nice. Obviously, got to move out above that psychologically significant $9 level, and now are kind of chewing through other resistance levels, working up towards the 200-day moving average, which comes in at 931. I think this is actually an opportunity to maybe reduce some risk if you have been long the market since that $9 level. There has not been a whole lot of new news circulating with the USDA kind of halfway shut down. But one thing to keep an eye on here this week, especially today and tomorrow, is U.S. and Chinese trade representatives are meeting. So we expect to see some headlines come out with regards to that, which could put a little bit more volatility in the market, which is also why we're reducing some risk up at these levels.
Okay, we'll come back and talk a little livestock trade as well when we return. We're talking with Oliver Sloup. He's our special guest. We'll be right back.